Time to do some brakes. Figured I'd do a little video on this, just because it's fun. This 2023 way, 24 way. Got to put new bushings. Save the brakes and everything on and around it. Where's my tools go? Oh, here. Saved them. Cute little tool that I created. Put these bushings in. That wasn't the plan. I'm supposed to stick it. So, looks like I have to rotate the slack adjuster to give me a little bit more room. We'll go ahead and do that. I use an impact because it's faster. That just gives me a bit more room to install the springs in a few short minutes. There, that part there. Now it's going to add the new springs to the back side. So much paint on them. Give it a little crack. Give it some room to stretch. Long screwdriver. Set the top one. Stretch the spring into the hole. Voila! Brakes. All right.